That's a good size. What's going on, viewers? It's EcoWads. I'm back here with another video. Today I'm crossing this river to the other side. There's a campsite over there. That's where I'm trying to go right now. Already got my stuff on the paddleboard. I got my backpack here. Let's go. Right across the river. Not on this side, but there's a lot of bushes. I don't have to go in. So there's like 1,000 ticks on these plants. I need to figure out how to get to the other side. This is just not okay. And it's tall, the grass is not like 5 inches, it's tall. And there are no venomous snake in Northern Virginia, as far as I know. So far so good. I can see my shoes. I just hate the needle plants. Wow, good place. Nice area. We got 2 grill. By the way, this is a Ohio Canal cyclist trail. So it's not deserted place. I need water. I need water. Whoa. Good. Quenching our thirst. Now, I need wood. I'm not gonna cook right now because it's, what, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. I already had my breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna chill for hours and then I'll start looking for wood. But I'm gonna go try fishing right now. Let me take a rest and then I'll go try to catch a fish. All right, and I'll probably cook around 1 a.m. I mean 1 p.m. That's it. Yeah, look at these. How they're standing on, oh, there's a little stick. Yes. What the hell? What the hell? What is that? New fish species. Oh, it's gone. Came off the hook. God damn it. I almost had it. Alright. The weather is getting hot, and I want to keep the worm fresh. Let's go back. Put those worms in the cooler. I'm gonna tell you what we have. We got lettuce. We got ground beef. We got mushroom, and I got shrimp, big shrimp, and butter, lime, onion. Not collar, but that's not for food. Let's go. Oh, need to put these back in here. Fine. Might say it's a lot of onion, but no, onion is good. Gives it a good flavor. Alright. That's 80-20%. It doesn't look that red, but from cheater. I'm not gonna say the full name. Alright. Now, black pepper. You know, salt. I think we need more salt. It gets to my hand. Yeah. Alright, now let's start massaging the meat. Mix with everything. Mix. Make it flat. Close it up. I have my sourdough, black seed on top, and I gotta flip this. Put the cheese on top. I got Swiss cheese. Oh, I got so much smoke. Too much smoke. That's enough. Mushrooms are cooking perfect. The oil from the patty is going to give it a good flavor. That's good. 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 All right. I'm just going to lay them like this on the grill. And then on this side. Right here I got the pickled mayonnaise. Best for burgers. Alright. First, squeeze of sauce. I like more sauce. Because it's too patty. Alright. First patty going in. And then mushrooms. That's good. It's hot, so it will kill any bacteria that will touch it. Alright. Put these on top. Good looking mushroom. Yes, sir. Bah, wow, wow. Very good. I got the second patty. Gonna squeeze that on top. And lettuce. Lettuce. These are pre-washed. You don't have to wash them. I need maybe 3 leaf here. Perfect. Look at that juice. Oh my god. Perfect. Yes, sir. Alright. Now, let's eat. Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hungry. Well, mushrooms are on point. Soft. Alright. Bro, this is too big to take a bite. Not for me. Delicious. Bah. Last 2 bites or one. Alright, there's a lot of people pulled up here, and I can't even do my videos because there's a lot of talking. So I'm going to wrap it up and leave. I thought this was a safe place. No. Bye. Let's go. At least there's nobody here. What is that? Smallmouth. Smallmouth. Look at it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the biggie. Biggie. Let's check him out. Look at him. You heard the jump, right? You heard the jump. It's coming. It's fighting hard. Fighting hard. Fighting hard. Don't, come on. Yeah, it's fighting hard. Come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, come on. Yes, sir. Nice. Nice. Hold on. Hold on. Whoa. Nice. That's a 12-inch small mouth. And it's going into the cooler. Let's go. That's a good size. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. We're out. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll see you on the next day. Peace out.